America, Hansama,
Redmagic. We're at Central Market. We're in Malaysia.
Yes, we are.
Day before,
Yup.
we fly back home.
Yes, sir.
Now we're in Central Market.
Yes, we are.
Try some new food.
What happened
Local
here?
Malaysia.
You're such bad vlogger.
Bro,
Why are you here in Malaysia? Why is it related?
it's like
Bro, why is Hoon horny?
everybody.
Look at his nipples.
Why are you horny?
That shit's
now?
pointy as f.
Stop looking at my n. Let's go. I might get one for my mom. 45 ringgit a piece. Wanna eat something first?
Sure.
We haven't eaten yet. All
Yeah.
I had was 2 eggs in the morning.
Hood. Here, give him 5.
Supporting the local business.
You're such a nice guy. Really?
Hey, there's food here.
Food.
You look good. Whoa.
Damn. That's a duck.
You got like 10 minutes?
Okay. Can we get a whole duck? One more this noodle. Holy sh**. We
Bro,
ordered the whole store.
what do you order? Yo.
I think it's because of the whole duck, and then this tom yum is expensive. It's okay, because we have King Mao. This is our father, feeding us throughout the trip. Thank you. Wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? Thank you. She saved you 1 ringgit.
I'm thankful.
Yeah.
That 1 ringgit helps for the 265.
Light work. Look at this bum sitting on a table. See, kids, study hard so you don't end up like this. Look at them on the phones. Noobs.
I'm calculating how much we have.
Dave is rich.
We need to save some money for dinner.
The legend says Dave is the son of Alibaba CEO, Jack Ma. See, his name is Dave Ma. Jack Ma. You get it? Ooh, ice cream. What is a sea coconut?
Okay.
Have you ever heard of sea coconut?
So can I get a iced lime juice sour plum? And he wants an iced milk tea. All together.
Zane wants a coconut. 2 coconut.
They have coffee. You want coffee?
Let's get 1 coffee for Carlos.
All right, that should be good.
Once again, here comes the savior.
The sugar daddy.
The sugar mama.
The sugar mouth.
Sugar mouth.
Sugar mouth.
Sugar mama. And look at that stag.
Damn, money spread, money spread.
Do the dance. Yeah. And this is the first time seeing our coach in person.
I don't want
Ow.
Look what it says. Durian King. We're going to Petaling Street Market just to check out. You know, it's a really popular place, so why not? So, why did we lose?
Oh, what is this?
Some bamboo shoots. Oh, it's the bamboo.
You want to try one each?
Yeah, get one. It's okay. Oh, coach.
Oh, wait, do you know them? Yes. Oh, easy server. Hey, try it. Let's try it. Rip the sauce and stuff on it.
Is it that spoon? 1 spoon. Oh, it's like hot.
What is it?
It's like a bread with coconut and it's like a sweet honey sauce.
Yo, let everybody else try it.
Remember, I forgot.
Oh yeah?
I forgot.
You like it?
That's not bad.
It's really good.
Waterfall.
I'm not putting chocolate on my hand.
Lift your head up.
You like it?
I don't like coconut that much.
Sure.
Wait, can I have one too?
No.
Yes.
Too late. You poke and poke another one.
Dude, I didn't touch this yet.
Mmm.
Zane, you want some fruits?
Yeah. Eat that shit.
Where are we?
Who knows? Middle of nowhere. Petaling Street. We're gonna turn right here. Petaling Street. So this is the tradition of Petaling Street, where they just sell knockoff stuff.
Is there anything you like from here?
Yeah, there are a few good stuff. Like this is literally how we shop. Like the
Why are you exposing our secret?
This is the same shirt.
Balenciaga.
Balenciaga.
Yeah.
This shirt is like $1,000. But in Petaling Street, this is 5.
Oh, you hold on to it. Oh. Yes. Apparently, you can control it. Hey. Ooh, it's so hot in here, bro. Let's get a drink, Dave.
CJ Champ, what do you want? What do you want?
Dharma new skin. Holy shit, that shit going to my vlog. Woo! You're gonna get robbed. Moba's getting a picture.
Oh, mobile got recognized. Mobile recognized. What do you think about the Malaysian trip and this tournament?
The tournament was pretty not pleasing.
Pretty great. Couldn't have done much better.
What do you think about your juice?
Pretty good.
Zane, do you like your juice?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, so let's...
Actual watermelon in it. How much was this?
6.
Oh, that's pretty cheap. So, I mean, tournament-wise, definitely learned a lot. But this is like the only tournament where we got like ass couldn't do anything type So it wasn't that pleasing, obviously. We didn't enjoy it that much.
Do you think team improved?
But yeah, I mean, it's for the better, right? We improved. It's like this experience you would never have playing peak or rank. You gotta like kind of learn by just going versus the best teams. And then yeah, we definitely improved a lot.
Then what do you think about HOK esports versus like other esports?
We suck. Teleporting is kind of crazy. It makes competitive kind of tricky when people can teleport from Clash to anywhere else in the rest of the map. Honestly, that's probably the biggest change from ML. Just that teleport is kind of crazy because you think you can do something and then all of a sudden somebody teleports and you got to switch up your plan.
Do you think that makes the Clash lane the most important lane then?
One of the most. I just think the teleport is really crazy. The teleport is just really unique. It's a lot different from ML.
What about laning phase?
There's 2v2 at mid.
Well, lane's always laning.
Clash lane, whoever clears first before Turtle wins that laning phase.
Well, the game that has most laning phase is Wild Rift. HOK is not even close. HOK is literally not about laning phase. There's no laning phase in HOK.
You think so?
No, it's not a laning phase. Just one level 1. After that, you just clear. There's no laning phase. Clear, rotate. What's more unique about HOK is rotation.
Who said HOK has no laning phase?
Well, at ML, there was no XP laning phase. There's definitely a laning phase for Clash. I would say only Clash and Farm have laning phases.
Maybe there's no laning phase.
But like
you know
in
what?
ML,
What's even laning
ML
phase?
didn't really have a laning phase either in lane. Same shit. It's literally the same
Not
shit as
really.
HOK. The only difference is in HOK, you give your mid lane to jungler sometimes. That's it. Yeah. Other than that, it's like, okay,
what's
the jungler
laning
helps
phase?
killing mid.
What's laning phase? Mid has no laning phase because you're always rotating.
Yeah, well, mid is never...
In ML, it's not like that.
ML, same shit. No, you
ML,
walk up mid
clear.
alone.
You always clear.
Yeah, you clear with someone. You never clear alone.
But you always clear mid.
But you clear with someone.
Mage.
Your roam
Yeah.
will clear mid. Your roam will come in mid. Your
That's the
jungler will
laning
clear
phase.
mid.
You clear. But in the HOK, you don't need to clear.
HOK is the same shit. There's only one difference, is that sometimes you give the way to mid jungler. Otherwise, it's the exact same. HOK with mid, you're clearing with someone. You clear it alone,
Not really. The reason I think they say HOK is harder is because I think the overall player level is higher. Like people are just like overall better. Or maybe it's because they've been playing the game for a while. It's just in ML you don't even like have these players rotating. Like if you just solo queue,
You don't have to think.
you have 4 noobs. If you peek HOK, everyone knows what to do. Almost.
That's a good thing, though.
That's a good thing. Like, and that's what like makes it harder too. Like you get punished so hard that you have to play right. In ML, you can do whatever the you want because everyone's bad unless you go fireman.
Also, though, if you make a mistake, you die. But in ML,
You can get away with it. Like compared to how hard is it to kill Marco Polo compared to Claude late game? Can you kill Claude as Lancelot 1v1?
Yeah, you can.
It's hard. Late game,
It's harder, yeah.
one Wyndham Nature, you're dead.
Well, the thing is, even on this one too, it's not that easy.
Killing Marco Polo as Luna,
It's not that easy.
Fade.
What about,
Well,
what do you think about
Fade,
jungle? Do you think jungle has any difference compared to the previous game you played?
Yeah, of course.
What's the biggest difference?
That I clear mid almost the entire game.
That's why we lost.
That might be a reason to why we lost, but still, that's how the game is played. The jungler always goes mid. Yeah, you clear everything. That's the thing about this game. You go to Clash, you go to ADC, you go to mid.
Do you like that as a jungler?
Kinda, yeah. But the mechanics
Yeah,
on this,
that's for sure. You gotta
mechanics
do more.
mean a lot more than.
Do you like heavily mechanic heavy games or not?
Yeah, of course. That's why I like to play stuff like Jing and Luna. But when I get home, I already told you I'm gonna play Jing a lot, and I'm gonna learn it to the fullest extent. I don't know why this guy's looking like that. He can't even play Maya.
He's an Agron player. What does he know about mechanics?
No, early game.
The thing is, level in mid. Rome stays mid all the time. Here, not all the time.
What do you think about Malaysia?
Malaysia has a great Chinese culture. If you're confused whether you're in India or China, you're in Malaysia. KLCC Park. We're here to give out jerseys. KLCC Park. The fan meetup, BTK.
Fish. Hey guys. Wait, can we go to the well area over there?
Yeah.
Anyone else? Any else? L is only got left. You want L.
Hey. 3, 2, 1. How you like the fan meet and greet so far?
More than expected.
More than expected?
Yeah.
No more jerseys.
No more jerseys.
No more jerseys.
Where's Mr. OG?
No, Shark has, no, Chicken has all the jerseys. Ooh.
You made a mistake. We don't have enough jerseys.
What do you mean?
We have 4 left.
That's right.
That's not. Imagine going to OG. Hey, they want some jerseys. But guess what? We have 4. One short.
Maybe you should have kept.
I should have kept.
Maybe you shouldn't have given out.
Maybe you guys should, shouldn't underestimate the people who came.
OG wants jerseys too, right?
Yeah. No, we have a lot at
No, I
home.
know, but how much was at home? How are we gonna give it them? How are we gonna give it to them?
Can we take one back? What do you think about fan meet and greet?
I'm sweating.
Yeah,
It's fun. Yeah, it's good.
Alright, wanna go over Twin Tower? Wanna go to the well?
You keep talking about that whale, Dave.
Bro, I don't know who's there.
You keep talking
What?
about that whale.
There might
Watch there be like
be-
50
That's
more
where
people.
people wait?
We got 4
Usually.
jerseys.
Yeah.
Sure, go.
What are you guys discussing?
HOK things.
HOA thing?
He asked me if it's harder to adapt to HOK. I said yeah. Because the game is hard.
What, do you play?
Yeah, actually.
What's your favorite hero?
Gun Emo and that Gojo.
Oh,
Yeah.
Guguzi. Okay, nice.
He was like, oh, I watched your stream, right?
Yeah.
And he was like, I saw that you were pretty good, but you don't got the hang of it yet. I'm like, what the fuck does that mean? what does that mean? How
You got roasted by a fan?
Well, he said he likes watching me play,
Yeah.
but he says he asked me if it was hard to adapt.
Yeah. Oh, that's the bell right there.
Ooh.
See? Easy. Right here. That's the bell.
Bro, I'm tired, boss.
That's the bell. More people showed up than you expected.
Actually true. For a
Yeah.
half a day post,
Expected like 3.
this is not bad for half a day post.
He's a student. He came right after what school?
Yeah, university.
University.
Yeah, 1 hour by train.
1 hour train.
Yeah, 1 hour train.
1 hour train
Yeah.
to come see BDK?
Yeah.
He watched my live stream, the watch party, talking about, we're gonna do a fan meetup.
Oh.
So I actually saw you eating durian last
What do you study?
I'm studying teaching English. I
Wow.
will become a teacher.
Where? In Malaysia?
Yeah.
Nice.
So I've been watching your stream since way before everyone. I think.
Really, that long?
Yeah, I think it's back before. I think.
When they was streaming?
Yeah, they doing the online community tournament. Yeah, global banning system.
Yeah?
I've been watching that.
Bro! Tell me, what's your name?
Amirul. You can call me Akmal.
Akmal? How do you spell that?
AKMAL.
AKML, Akmal. Wait, how old are you?
I'm 21.
So you watched us for like 8 years.
Yeah.
7. Bro!
This guy deserves a jersey.
I know. Wait, you don't have one?
Yeah, I don't have.
We'll have to give him a jersey then. Well, OG can have 3.
It's large though. It's okay.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, there we go. Take a photo. 3, 2, 1. What about you? Are you also college?
I'm university student from Sunway.
Wait, do you guys come together? No? Oh, not coordinated.
No.
Oh, okay.
We barely just meet.
Oh, how long it took?
I took the train about 1 hour 40 minutes
Really? Wait, train from where?
from USJ7.
So outside of Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah.
Bro, what's your name?
You can call me Tio.
Tio.
Yeah,
That's a
Tio.
cool name. Nice meeting you, Tio.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for supporting BDK. You know, they take the train here for like an hour 40 minutes.
Damn, really?
Would you ever take a train to go see someone for like 2 hours away?
Depends who. If they were Mobazane, yeah. Depends who. If it was Mobazane.
Wait, who would you take a train for 2 hours to see?
My
Yo, Hoon, go interview. Here.
Where are you guys from? Like, how long did it take you to get here?
Half an hour. I guess we came from Peters. Yeah, we came here
You
around.
didn't take the train?
No, we drove here.
Drove here.
Yeah, we left Peters at like 3 p.m.
Oh. Which post did you see? Zane's Instagram?
Actually, this one of our friends, really big fan of the game, and he sent it to a group chat. And he was like, you guys need to post it because he's in Singapore right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so shout out to Sean.
Feel bad for the friend. Yeah, thank you for coming to the fan meetup.
Hello. Are you here for the meetup?
No, I'm your fan.
What's up, Sabrina? We got OG right here. Oh, picture first.
Where's your team?
Cheering for them.
That's not a good enough excuse. You guys don't have data? They didn't bring their phones? What's up with that?
I don't know what to say. They wanted to cheer for the friends, you know. Like TM and OG are long-term friends.
Ni hao. Use the mic. Why don't you use the mic? Wait, what are we doing? Outro?
Alright guys, here we are, Kuala Lumpur, post fan meetup. It was pretty good, pretty alright. Camera everywhere. Look at the rider. The background, yeah, look at all that. Yeah, it's pretty good, pretty fun. Here's other white guy, and Mao. What do you think about it, Mao?
Thank you to all the fans. We actually have an OG fan who watched us from 8 years ago. Came to support us. Took a train for 2 hours because they're in college. So they started watching us when we were like 13, 14 years old.
Oh, you said OG, like original, like actual,
original.
like fans. You
Original,
said OG,
yes.
I thought you meant like
Yeah,
a
we
sport.
also met OG.org, right? Sabrina, the manager, as well as the Millennial Win showed up. It was a really nice meetup. We had a lot of good time. You okay?
I'm dying.
Okay, yeah. Is it dying out of excitement of meeting the fans? By the way, they all recognize you, know? You got a lot of photos.
Yeah, people actually recognize us. When I say us, I mean like Zane and Hoon, and everyone else was an afterthought. But yeah, they recognize us, don't worry. They do.
It was pretty good. You had a good time. So, again, thank you to all the fans who showed up. Yo, what's doing with camera? So, thank you to all the fans who showed up. And then we'll see you back home. Make sure to keep on supporting the team, support everybody live stream. Become a member.
Membership.
Membership.
Carlos, you want to say membership?